This is so good. Off it goes. Just eyeballing it. Butter. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where we savor food and experiences together. So for today, it is Saturday morning. I figured let's make some pumpkin pancakes, alright? It's Thanksgiving long weekend here in Canada. I have a pretty much packed day today. I have to edit a few videos and then I'm gonna go to the gym and then I'm gonna see some friends. We're going to this Halloween event. So it's gonna be a pretty busy Saturday and I'm craving something sweet. But first, I just woke up half an hour ago, so let's have some coffee, let's get energized, and it's gonna be a busy day. So, alright, so you guys know the drill, how I make my coffee. Alright. Boil some water. Alright, so while that's going, we're gonna make my pumpkin pancakes today, okay? So I divided into this is gonna be for the pancakes and this is for the toppings. Alright, so you can even use your own pancake, recipe, but the thing is I would add pumpkin puree and some nutmeg and also cinnamon in it. This is for the toppings on top. You can put some walnuts, whatever nuts you guys want as well. And then you have your syrup, and I also put some cream cheese on top as well. We're going all decadent today, all right? Okay, so for my savor twist for this recipe, I use condensed milk instead. It gives it more of a deep, richer flavor. And I like my pancakes a bit dense as well. You don't need to add sugar because the condensed milk is already sweet, so it does like two jobs. You got the milk and also the sugar in there, so it also gives that caramelized finish to the pancakes as well. So it's gonna be good, it's gonna be very rich, and it's gonna be very decadent. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, so we have here is whole wheat all-purpose flour, cinnamon, vanilla extract, nutmeg, egg, salt, butter, baking powder, condensed milk, and pumpkin puree. All right, and then for the topping, got walnuts, cream cheese, and syrup as well. Or you can use maple syrup, whatever you guys want. All right, so let's grab a bowl. All right, I'll just put everything in the bowl. I start off with the liquid part first. Okay, I'm gonna move these out so you guys can see. Okay, start with one egg. And melt some butter in the microwave. Okay, and then pretty much 1 cup of condensed milk. You can leave some in the can as well. At times I do like some of the condensed milk on top of my pancakes. If you guys do that too, like you guys can save some of this as well. Okay. Oh shoot, I didn't shake it. Okay, I'm shaking it right now. Okay. Alright, off it goes to the bowl. Okay, that's fine. And then some vanilla extract. Just eyeballing it. Okay. Alright, my water is boiling. Let me just grab. Okay. Alright, the butter is good. All melted. I was just hearing boiling noises, so okay. No, it's good. Oh shoot, I ran out of coffee grinding, so I'm just grind some coffee. So excited for my coffee. Oh my god. I like to start my days off with coffee and just keeps me going all day, and yeah. Alright, so we have here our dark roast coffee. Oh, it smells so good. Alright. Okay, grab the whisk and I'm just gonna start mixing this, okay? Then I'm gonna add my butter, okay? Okay. Just gonna need to add a bit of water just because the condensed milk is very, very thick. So it does need a bit of water in there. Just a tiny bit. Okay. And then let's open our pumpkin puree. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So we need like around close to 1 cup. So this is around 796 ml. So we need around 200 to 250 ml. So I'm just gonna grab a spoon and just spoon it out. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay. A pumpkin puree. All right. It's around 250. All right. Then we mix. This is what it looks like, guys, so far. Okay, we're gonna add 1 cup of our flour. Okay, and then we're gonna add some baking powder. And then add some cinnamon. Oh man, it smells so good already. Right, some salt, just a tiny bit. Cuts through the sweetness, so. And some nutmeg. Oh, this one is brand new, so. It reminds me of the smell of gingerbread cookies, so of nutmeg. All right, and oh, we need our vanilla extract. Oh no, actually never mind. I thought I didn't put it yet, but we did already. Okay, and then we just mix this up, and then we're good. Okay, it does need a bit of water, just a tiny bit, okay? There we go. All right, guys, that's what the batter looks like. And we're gonna start cooking, okay? Low medium heat is good. Put a bit of butter. All right. It's pretty warm. Let's do 2 scoops. All right, while that's cooking, let's enjoy our coffee. All right, let's make our coffee here. Oat milk. And our coffee. So, how about you guys? I know Canadian Thanksgiving is before American one, so to all my Canadian friends, any plans for the long weekend? I think a lot of us are gonna be having a lot of turkey and seeing family and friends. Are you guys doing anything special? Are you cooking anything new? Let me know. And if you guys want to share your own recipes as well, let me know. Oh my god, guys, it smells so good. You can smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the pumpkin puree. Oh, it looks legit amazing. We want to make sure it's in the more of like the lower to medium heat range. Make sure it's not too high. All right, first sip of the day. Oh man, so good. Oh wow, that's so good. Love it. Ah. That is so good. That first sip of coffee in the morning, oh man, it's priceless, guys. It's so priceless. Monday is a holiday here. Gonna go see some friends and gonna go for an all-you-can-eat dinner. So it's gonna be good. Let me look at this. Oh, I think it's good. Guys, I wish you can smell it because it smells amazing. Okay. Okay, ready guys? All right, let's flip. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, look at that. See guys, it's making a caramelize around the pancakes, which is what I love. Here guys, hope you can see. So 2 more minutes guys, and then we're good. I'll show you guys how I put toppings in my pumpkin pancake. Let's take a look guys. Alright guys, it's good to go. Alright, okay, let's go ahead over here. Oh man, I wish you guys can smell it. It smells so good. Ta-da! That's what it looks like. Look at that pumpkin pancake. So for the pumpkin pancake, let's all go decadent on it. It's Thanksgiving weekend here, so why not, right? I'm gonna go work out extra at the gym later, so we're all good. Okay, so how I pretty much top it is, I'll show you guys. Let's do cream cheese, okay? Okay. Oh man, that looks so good. You have some of the leftover condensed milk. The toppings is totally up to you guys. You guys get to choose whatever you guys want, but this is a recommendation. Some walnuts, okay? These ones are a bit big, so I just have to kind of crush it a bit. I'm just using my hand really quickly. Our syrup, tiny bit. Okay, and some cinnamon powder. All right, guys, there's our pumpkin pancake. Ta-da! Oh wow, that's still warm. All right, guys, let's do this. First bite. Wow, guys, that is so good. That is so good. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is so good. Just with a simple few ingredients, guys, you can have your own pancake recipe and you just add a few ingredients like cinnamon, nutmeg, and some pumpkin puree. Ta-da! You guys have your pumpkin pancake. If you use condensed milk like I did, you don't need to add sugar into the mix because the condensed milk is already sweet and it makes it more dense. I like my pancakes more dense, but if you guys don't, then just use your regular milk or any other milk alternatives that you guys use, and make sure to add sugar as well. But my Savor twist of the condensed milk really adds deep, rich, sweet flavor to the pancakes, and it makes it more dense. You can see like the pancake is also caramelized around the corner of the circle, just because it has like sugar in there already. So, and you guys can add your own toppings to it. This pumpkin pancake reminds me of Thanksgiving and also like Christmas all together. I have some walnuts. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video today, and I hope you guys will also make it or try it or share the recipe with your family and friends. I hope you guys have an amazing long weekend. Happy Thanksgiving, and just remember, keep savoring you. Okay, see you guys.